back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will be solving some past paper questions on circuits, so let's get started. Today I will be solving question 8 from the May-June 2021 session, Paper 4 Variant 1. A student sets up a circuit that includes a 12 volts battery, an 800 ohms resistor, a voltmeter, and thermistor. Figure 8.1 is an incomplete circuit diagram because the symbol for the thermistor is missing. The thermistor is connected between terminals P and Q. Part A says to complete figure 8.1 by drawing the symbol for a thermistor between terminals P and Q. Alright, this is a rather easy question. All we have to do is draw the symbol of a thermistor on the diagram, just like this. Part B states that the 12 volts battery consists of 8 identical cells connected in series. Calculate the electromotive force of each cell. To get the electromotive force of each cell, we have to divide the total voltage by the number of cells. That would give us 1.5 volts for each cell. Part C. The reading on the voltmeter is 8 volts. Determine the resistance of the thermistor. Alright, first let's recall the formula for resistance. Resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. But right now we do not have the current, but if we see the resistor, we already know that its resistance is 800 ohms, and its voltage 12 minus the reading on the voltmeter, 8, which gives us 4 volts. So, we can get the current by rearranging the formula to current is equal to voltage divided by resistance, to get 4 divided by 800, which is equal to 0.005 amps. So, we can use this value to get the resistance of the thermistor, since the current in a series circuit is always the same. So 8 volts divided by 0.005 amps is equal to the resistance of the thermistor, 1600 ohms. Now for part 2 of question C. A few hours later, the student notices that the reading on the voltmeter is greater. Explain what can be deduced from this observation. Okay, we know that when a thermistor gets cold, the resistance increases and voltage is equal to resistance multiplied by current, and the current will stay the same. So when the resistance increases, so will the voltage. When more voltage will be taken up by the thermistor, the voltage across the resistor will decrease. If you just mention the voltage across the resistor drops simply, you will still gain the mark. I'm just giving a detailed explanation. That will be the end of this question. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to comment them. I'll be glad to answer.